Hello students. Next example. Suppose that repetitions are not permitted. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed from the 6 digits 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8? First, how many such numbers are less than 4000? Next, how many of the numbers even? First, the number of 4-digit numbers is given by arrangement of 6 digits taking 4 at a time. There are 6 digits 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 means n equal to 6 and taking r at a time means small r equal to 4. P of 6 4 equal to 6 factorial upon 6 minus 4 factorial which is equal to 360. Therefore, such 4-digit numbers are 360. First, how many such numbers are less than 4000 means the numbers beginning with 1, 2, 3 will be less than 4000. Means suppose we take 4 boxes 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers which are beginning with 1, 2, 3 are less than 4000. Means this is the 4th place, 3rd place, 2nd place, 1st place. For 4th place, if we take 1 means for first box there is one choice and for third box remaining digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Here 5 choices. Similarly for second boxes here 2 digits are used, remaining digits are 4 means second box has 4 choice and first box has 3 choice means P of 1 1, P of 5 1, P of 4 1, P of 3 1. Similarly for 2 and 3, that means table become beginning number, possibility in 4th place, possibility in 3rd place, possibilities in 2nd place, possibilities in 1st place and total. Beginning number is 1, possibility in 4th place P of 1 1, next P of 5 1, P of 4 1, P of 3 1. Total means P of 1 1 is 1, P of 5 1 is 5, P of 4 1 is 4, P of 3 1 is 3 means 1 into 5 into 4 into 3. And if beginning number is 2, then similarly which are used in beginning number 1 means P of 1 1, P of 5 1, P of 4 1, P of 3 1. Similarly for 3. And this case is taking at a one time. So total such numbers are 1 into 5 into 4 into 3, 60 means 60 plus 60 plus 60 equal to 180. Therefore total numbers less than 4000 are 180. आपल्याला इथे काय सांगितलंय, असे नंबर पाहिजे नाही आपल्याला जे 4000 पेक्षा कमी आहेत. म्हणजे जे नंबर 1, 2, 3 नी सुरू होणार आहेत तेच नंबर तुमचे 4000 पेक्षा कमी असणार आहे. सपोज इथे तुम्ही 1 पुट केला म्हणजे जे दिलेले डिजिट आहे त्याच्यापैकी 1 नंबर आपण यूज केला, उरलेले किती डिजिट आहे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 डिजिट उरले म्हणजे ह्या प्लेससाठी आपल्याकडे 5 चॉईस आहे. आता इथे 2 डिजिट गेले म्हणजे उरले किती डिजिट तुमच्याकडे 4. ह्या बॉक्ससाठी 4 चॉईस आहे. 4 पैकी कोणताही एक तुम्ही इथं पुट करणार. आता इथं ऑलरेडी 1, 2, 3 पुट केलंय मग लास्ट बॉक्ससाठी उरलेले डिजिट किती आहे 3. मग 3 पैकी तुम्ही एक चूज करणार. म्हणून चॉईस काय झाल्या आहेत P of 1 1, P of 5 1, P of 4 1, P of 3 1. सिमिलरली तुम्ही इथं 2 पुट केला तर तेव्हा पण ह्याच कंडिशन येणार आहे आणि 3 पुट केला तेव्हा पण ह्याच कंडिशन येणार आहे. जेव्हा आपण बॉक्समध्ये डिजिट पुट करतो तेव्हा त्या सगळ्या कंडिशन सायमल्टेनियसली आपण करत असतो. पण 1, 2, 3 घेतल्यानंतर या तिन्हीपैकी एकच कंडिशन आपण एका वेळेस घेऊ शकतो. म्हणून इथं आपण मल्टिप्लिकेशन रूल पण यूज केला आणि ॲडिशन रूल पण यूज केला. सो टोटल सच नंबर्स इक्वल टू 60 plus 60 plus 60 इक्वल टू 180. Therefore total numbers less than 4000 are 180. Next, The numbers ending with 2 and 8 are even. How many of the numbers are even means the number ending with 2 and 8 are even in boxes 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose here 2 and here 8 means the numbers which are we put with ending 2 and 8 are nothing but the even numbers. If condition is ending number is 2, possibility in fourth place P of 5 1, possibility in third place P of 4 1, possibility in second place P of 3 1, possibilities in first place P of 1 1. So total numbers 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. Similarly for 8. So total such numbers equal to 60 plus 60 equal to 120. Therefore there are 120 even numbers. Next, cyclic permutation. Arrangement of elements in cyclic manner is called as cyclic permutation. Remark, arrangement of n objects in cyclic permutation can be made in n-1 factorial different ways. For example, in how many different ways can 10 persons sit on merry-go-round having 10 seats? Here n equal to 10. Merry-go-round is arrangement of person on cyclic manners. Therefore, total distinct ways to sit on merry-go-round equal to n-1 factorial, where n equal to 10, which is equal to 10 minus 1 factorial equal to 9 factorial. Next, permutation with repetition. If there are n objects, R1 of them are alike, R2 of them are alike, R3 of them are alike. Continuously Rm of them are alike, where R1 plus R2 plus and so on plus Rm equal to n. Then the number of different arrangement of these n objects denoted as P of n semicolon R1, R2 and so on Rm, and is defined as P of n semicolon R1, R2 and so on Rm equal to n factorial upon R1 factorial into R2 factorial and so on Rn factorial. Example, how many ways are there to arrange the 5 letters in the word madam? In the word madam, number of letters are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. M occurs 2 times 1, 2. A occurs 2 times 1, 2. And D occurs 1 time 1. So different number of arrangement of these 5 letters are, here formula is n factorial upon R1 factorial, R2 factorial and so on Rn factorial. Here n equal to 5, R1 is 2, R2 is 2, R3 is 1. Therefore 5 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 1 factorial, which is equal to 30. Therefore number of arrangements equal to 30. Next example, 2 same mathematics books, 3 same physics books and 4 same chemistry books are to be arranged on a shelf. How many different arrangement are possible of these 9 books? Total number of books are nothing but the 9. 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 9. Mathematics books equal to 2. Physics books equal to 3. Chemistry books equal to 4. Therefore, different number of arrangement of these 9 books equal to n equal to 9, R1 equal to 2, R2 equal to 3, R3 equal to 4. Means 9 factorial upon 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial, which is equal to 1260. Therefore, number of arrangements equal to 1260. Next, combinations. Selection of elements of set is called as combination of elements. Definition: a selection of a set of R elements from a set of n distinct elements is called combination, where 0 less equal R less equal n. Notation NCR and CR, C of NR, combination of n elements taking R at a time. NCR means combination of n elements taking R at a time. Formula C of NR equal to n factorial upon R factorial into n minus R factorial. For example, a bag contains A, B, C, D, E, such a 5 toys. The number of different ways to select 2 toys at a time are AB, AC, AD, AE, BC, BD, BE, CD, CE, D, means 10 selections. So, combination of 5 taking 2 at a time, which is equal to C of 5 2 equal to n is 5, R is 2, means 5 factorial upon 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 10. Since NCR equal to n factorial upon R factorial, n minus R factorial. That is, there are 10 different selection of toys. Next, for participants A, B, C, D took part in chess competition, number of different ways to select their partner for the game are A with B, B with C, A with C, B with D, A with D, C with D. Here the number of choices. There are 6 matches. That is, selection of 2 partners from 4 participants are nothing but the C of 4 2, which is equal to 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 factorial equal to 6. That is, there are 6 matches occurs. Next example, how many ways can a committee can be formed from 4 men and 6 women with at least 2 men and at least twice as many women as men. Means त्या कमिटीमध्ये कमीत कमी 2 माणसं पाहिजे आणि माणसांपेक्षा दुप्पट स्त्रिया पाहिजे कमीत कमी, म्हणजे दुपटीपेक्षा थोड्या जास्त असल्या तरीही चालेल. नेक्स्ट, 4 members at least 2 of which are women and Mr. and Mrs. XYZ will not serve together. Here table is men, women, selection from men, selection from women, total selection. Total number of men 4, total number of women 6. Committee. So in committee, if we take 2 men, means there may be 4 women or 5 women or 6 women. म्हणजे इथं काय झालंय, 2 माणसं घेतलेत, त्याच्या दुप्पट किती आहेत, 4 स्त्रिया. म्हणजे 4 पेक्षा जास्ती किती आहे, 5 6 पण चालू शकतात. आपल्याकडे स्त्रिया 6च आहे, 4 चालू शकतात, 5 चालू शकतात, 6 चालू शकतात कमिटीमध्ये. आणि सपोज आपण कमिटीमध्ये 3 मेन घेतले तर 3च्या दुप्पट किती आहेत, 6, मीन्स 6 वुमेन. आता पुढे आपण इथं 4 मेन घेतले तर 4च्या दुप्पट 8 आहे, पण ऑलरेडी आपल्याला दिलेल्या वुमेन किती आहेत, 6 आहेत. 8 आहेत का नाही, म्हणून आपण इथं ही कंडिशन स्टॉप केली आहे. मीन्स फर्स्ट कंडिशन 2 मेन 4 वुमेन, सिलेक्शन फ्रॉम मेन 4C2. टोटल मेन किती आहे, 4 आहे. त्याच्यापैकी आपण कमिटीमध्ये 2 घेणार आहे, म्हणजे आपल्याकडे 4 मेन आहेत, त्याच्यापैकी 2 घ्यायचे आहेत, म्हणजे चॉईस किती आहेत, 4C2. Similarly for women 6C4, total selections 4C2 into 6C4. Next, if men 2 women 5, then selection from men 4C2, selection from women 6C5. So total selection 4C2 into 6C5. For 2 and 6, 4C2 choice for men and 6C6 choice for women. Total 4C2 into 6C6. Next, 3 men 6 women, selection is 4C3 6C6. Total selections 4C3 into 6C6. Therefore total number of committees are 4C2 into 6C4 plus 4C2 into 6C5 plus 4C2 into 6C6 plus 4C3 into 6C6. 6, which is equal to 90 plus 36 plus 6 plus 4 equal to 136. Next, 4 members, at least 2 of which are women, and Mr. and Mrs. XYZ will not serve together. Solution is number of 4 member committees equal to N1, at least 2 of which are women, and let N2 be the number of 4 member committees, at least 2 of which are women, and Mr. and Mrs. XYZ are included in each. Now clearly N1 equal to 4C2 into 6C2 plus 4C1 into 6C3 plus 4C0 into 6C4. N2 equal to 3C1 into 5C1 plus 5C2. Therefore, number of committees is N1 minus N2. Next example. How many numbers are there between 100 and 1000 in which all the digits are distinct? Solution. Numbers between 100 and 1000 are digited, and total numbers available to fill in that are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here box 100 place, 10th place, first place. For 100 place we choose any one among 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. आता इथं आपण 0 का यूज नाही केला आहे, कारण 100 प्लेसला तुम्ही 0 यूज केला तर तो नंबर काय होईल, 2 डिजिट नंबर होईल. आपल्याला 3 डिजिट नंबर लागतो, म्हणून 100 प्लेसला आपण 0 डिजिट यूज नाही केला. That is for 100 place we have 9 choices. For 10th place we choose any are among 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But one number already used in 100 place. Therefore, for 10th place we have 9 choice. Similarly in unit place we have 8 choice. इथं ऑलरेडी तुम्ही 2 यूज केला आहे, मग उरले किती, 8 डिजिट. So in unit place we have 8 choice. Therefore total counting of such numbers equal to 9 into 9 into 8, which is equal to 648. Next example. A farmer buys 3 cows, 2 goats and 4 hens from a man who has 4 cows, 3 goats and 8 hens. How many choices does the farmer have? Number of choices for cows 4C3, which is equal to 4. Number of choices for goats 3C2, which is equal to 3. Number of choices for hens 8C4, which is equal to 70. Therefore total number of choices equal to 4 into 3 into 70 equal to 840 ways. Here we stop.